Looking for a off-road carburetor for Chevy 350? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 off-road carburetor for Chevy 350 available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect carburetor for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Edelbrock 1406 Performer 600 CFM. The Edelbrock Performer square-bore air valve secondary electric choke new carburetor features a 2-piece, all-aluminum construction for cooler operating temperatures and less warping. It is designed and calibrated for good street performance and fuel economy in 402 SID and larger engines with the Edelbrock Performer manifolds. There are no gaskets below the fuel bowl level for fewer leaks and no plastic parts or power valves to blow out. The Performer electric choke carburetor includes both timed and full vacuum ports for ignition advance. The carburetors use easily changed metering rods for precise tuning. The Edelbrock Performer covers the replacement or repair of the product only and does not cover the cost of removal and installation. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the new carburetor for Type Rochester 2GC 2-barrel Chevrolet. The second carburetor that we have on our list is the new carburetor for Type Rochester 2GC 2-barrel Chevrolet Chevy. If you have been looking for a strong and sturdy carb that is also affordable, then you have stopped at the right place. It adds more horsepower and also maintains the mileage. You will not have to refuel your vehicle again and again when this carb is installed in your vehicle. It also comes with a gasket and a seal, but quite a few people may not prefer the gasket that comes with it because it may feel cheap to them. So, you can replace the original gasket and get a stronger one. Since it is constructed with heavy-duty metal, it will last you for quite a while and you will not see warping. You will feel the difference in the fuel economy after having this carb installed. So, we highly recommend this carb for its great performance and heavy-duty construction. At number 3 on our list, we have the Holy 0 to 1850s classic carburetor 416600 CFM. If you look at this Holy carb, you will see a nice shiny finish. It has a dichromate finish which prevents the carb from getting corroded. Since it is constructed with metal, it is designed to last for a long period of time. It also comes with advanced features such as the blowout protection feature, which makes sure that the operation of the carb is trouble-free. We highly recommend this carb because it gives you the ultimate performance. As soon as it comes out of the box, you don't have to spend time making adjustments. Also, the good thing is that it is easy to install. At number 4 on our list, we have the Jet 35002 Rochester Quadrajet Stage 2 carburetor. The next carb that we have for you all in the Jet 35002 Rochester, it is renowned for providing a great throttle response and improved idle quality. Unlike many other carbs, this one is quite easy to install and use. You can install it all by yourself in less than 90 minutes. It also provides a smooth idle and a smooth transition. The coolest thing about this carb is that, whether your engine is warm or cold, it will start it right away. You won't have to wait for the engine to get warm. If you are from an area where you get a lot of snow, then this carburetor is definitely the one made for you. At number 5 on our list, we have the Quick Fuel 600 CFM 4BBL Elect. Then we have a Quick Fuel Technology carb in the 5th place. It is designed while ensuring high performance and durability. It is manufactured with aluminum, which prevents the carb from becoming too heavy. It contains a secondary metering plate that comes with changeable jets. You take it out of the box and it is all set to be used and to provide you a great performance along with fuel efficiency. In most other carbs, you may have to make a lot of adjustments, but when it comes to this one, you will only have to make slight adjustments and the tune will last for a long time. Some people have a lot of trouble making adjustments, but with this carb, you will not have to make major adjustments. If we talk about the body of the carb, we will see that it is made with aluminum but has a very shiny finish. It also extends the life of your engine. Even then, we highly recommend this carb for its amazing performance and the convenience that it provides to the users. At number 6 on our list, we have the Patrol 2-barrel carburetor. Now we have the Patrol 2-barrel carb. It will be a life changer for your vehicle as it will provide fuel efficiency, better mileage, and will also improve the horsepower. It also comes with a gasket and a seal. It is constructed with heavy-duty metal, which is why it is quite durable. It will last you for a long period of time without any corrosion or rust. The one that you have to keep in mind when dealing with this carb is that its oil channels will be blocked if not cleaned properly. So, make sure that you clean the oil channels to prevent the oil blockage. At number 7 on our list, we have the Holy 0 to 1850 SAW aluminum 600 CFM 4-barrel street carburetor. Then in 7th place, we have Holy 0 to 1850 SAW aluminum carb. Since it is constructed with aluminum, it prevents warping, and it also saves the weight of over 5 pounds. It comes with a manual choke, which might be a hassle for some people, but it does maintain the temperature of the engine. It is designed to provide great street performance. Also, with its aluminum construction, you get a stunning shiny finish. It has a single feed inlet, which makes the installation easier as compared to other carbs. We highly recommend this carb to the people who are looking for one that works efficiently right out of the box and also has an easy installation. At number 8 on our list, we have the Edelbrock 1405 Performer 600 CFM square bore 4-barrel air valve. It is specifically designed and calibrated to make sure that it provides optimum marine performance. It also comes with a single feed fuel inlet that has a secondary type of air valve. It has a manual choke with a 4-barrel square bore carburetor flange. It is constructed with all aluminum, which works great in all kinds of temperatures and also reduces warping. Since it has 4 barrels, it provides excellent acceleration, and it also delivers high-quality everyday performance without any disturbance. We highly recommend this carburetor because it is well constructed, high power, and it is also durable. Ensure its maintenance, and you will enjoy fuel efficiency for quite some time. At number 9 on our list, we have the Demon 1901 625 CFM. Next up, we have a carburetor called Demon 1901. It is a 4-barrel carb with an electric choke that will make sure that you are able to start the vehicle instantly, whether your engine is warm or cold. The installation also becomes very easy with the single fuel inlet. Since the bowl comes with a gasket and is above the fuel level, you won't have to worry about any potential leakages. It also comes with an advanced feature that is the torsion spring valve control. It has the ability to provide a seamless primary to secondary throttle response. This carb is known to provide great fuel efficiency. With this carb, if you live in extremely cold areas, you will never face the issue of the vehicle not starting because it will make sure that you are able to start the vehicle easily. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Holy 0 to 7448 model. It takes the last spot because it is expensive as compared to the other carbs. Otherwise, it has amazing performance and working. With this carb, you get a trouble-free operation because the power valve that comes with it provides blowout protection. It also has a single feed fuel inlet, which makes the installation easy. The float is also center hung for this carb. If you look at its appearance, then you will see that it has a dichromate finish, which prevents it from corroding or even getting dents or nicks. It comes with a manual choke, which provides greater control. However, some people who prefer the electric choke may not like the fact that it has a manual choke. Even then, we highly recommend this carburetor for its amazing performance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.